Welcome to myHDG Next. In this video, we will explain how to register. myHDG Next offers numerous new features, greater stability, and easier operation. Important to know, due to extensive technical changes, existing myHDG login credentials cannot be used. So, whether you are an existing or new myHDG user, you will need to register again to use myHDG Next. For a transitional period, the previous version of myHDG will also remain available. Registration is completed in just a few steps. First, go to the HDG website and click on myHDG in the Tools menu on the left. You will now see the login screen for myHDG Next. To register, click on the Register button at the bottom left. The view will switch to the registration form. Now enter your details. Existing myHDG users will notice that a username is no longer required. Your email address will serve this function. Please note that the password must be at least 9 characters long, contain at least one uppercase and one lowercase letter, as well as at least one number and a special character. To complete the process, click on Register. You will then receive an email with an activation link. With one click on the link, your myHDG account will be created and activated. How to log in and add your boiler will be explained in the second video.